friends, welcome back to my channel Rosie La Nosy. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make these delicious egg and chorizo tacos. It's the easiest way and the fastest way to prepare them. I usually make my own tortillas from scratch, and I'm not talking about just add water and flour. I'm talking about scratch. But then I found these uncooked flour tortillas by Tortilla Land, and my friends, these are a game changer. They're from Tortilla Land, like I said. You can buy them from Sam's, Walmart, or Kroger. They are amazing. My family didn't even realize they were from the store, but that's how good they are. To make these tacos, all you need is cooking oil or olive oil, chorizo of your choice, eggs, tortillas, cheese if you want cheese in your tacos. You are also going to need foil paper to wrap these tacos when they're done. That's about all the ingredients you need to make these delicious tacos. Alright guys, well I'll let you enjoy this video. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY, cleaning, cooking, organizing videos. Bye!